Well, good evening. The important is not if I was nervous. The important is that the players were not nervous, were not in panic. They react again really well with a huge personality, and and we won the game. But of course, when the game was 2-0, we didn't concede one chance except the first action, the first minute, when a cross and Alex Zinchenko defended really well. We didn't concede absolutely anything, so that's why it's always just once and one goal. But we react good and we score goals, we create more chances, we concede few. That's why another 3 points is so important for us after our defeat in Anfield. It's important don't avoid 2 bad results in a row, and we did it, and that's why we are satisfied.
I'm not happy because we have lost, but I was expecting something like that, the team working really hard, defending against a very good team, and the teamwork and the team spirit was quite positive. But obviously, you want to win. I think that obviously I will not say that we deserve this or that. So I say that the timing of things that were happening, the first chance that we had, the penalty that was very soft, the chances that we have after our goal was a pity that could be a little bit better. But you have to say that they are a very good team.